Unboxing of the 2019 Ram 2500 fifth wheel prep package, and that's the Mopar part numbers. Comes in a box. I got all my parts laid out, getting ready to do the installation. Now I have removed a 6.5 foot bed, so I've got two bolts in the rear that hold bed. Up that hole and up that hole. I used an impact with a extension. Don't accidentally go in forward. If you do, you will tighten it just enough that your impact wrench will not break the bolt loose again. So have a breaker bar handy in case that happens. So I've removed the two bolts in the rear, one in the front, through that hole. Now you can get a better angle here. Access it through this little hole, and you can see the threaded hole up in the frame, and I've already got the bolt out. So with those three bolts removed, I lifted the bed and just stuck a 2x4 in there. The instruction said lift it 6 inches. I can't lift it 6 inches because of this trim piece between the bed and the front cab. It's hitting already. So the good news is that 2x4 was enough to get that mount into position, so that pin, clumsy, huh? This pin goes into the hole. You can kind of see it there, right there. That's all you really have to raise that bed for, so that you can place that. First part the instructions call for is the front. I'm doing left side. The instructions I think call for the front right side. I'm adding thread lock. It's not in the instructions. Okay, I'm ready to mount the left front. That's the driver's side. It's 18mm socket. I'm adding thread lock. The instructions does not call for thread lock. You can see the bracket in place. Bolts have not been tightened, they've just been finger started. And I gotta figure out how to get a wrench in there. Back bumper. There's the new bracket. Passenger side is a lot easier. You have to reach up. but you don't have a fuel tank in your way. So I laid a T-square across. You can see right up to the edge of those, I don't know what they are, bed reinforcement ribs. Okay, and that's what I run my tape measure off of, and that seems to correlate with those instructions. So all those measurements. Make sure you measure twice, cut once. It's very important. Now I've gone ahead and sprayed some black automotive body paint where I scratched. I'm going to do my bed in spray and bed liners, so I don't really care to match the colors, but that's what I had laying around. I gotta blow this dust out, put those caps on, and then tighten up the 6 bed bolts, the 3 on each side. Saw some instructions, I don't know where I found them, but they said 3.5 inch hole saw, which I happen to have laying around. These instructions call for a 3 3/4. I couldn't find one. I used a, oh geez, there's no measurement, 2 5/8. Oh, actually this is 4 inch. Well, you know, the package I think was wrong. But that's designed for wood, and I got 2 holes cut. Nice, neat holes on one side. And then I've got these 3.5 inch holes on this side that I had to use a grinder to grind out that, and it's just a mess, but that's going to cover it, so who cares? And then they pop the caps on. Super clean with the caps on, huh? 2019 Ram 2500 Tradesman 5th wheel prep package. Put running boards on last night. 5th wheel hitch so I can go camping. We're in a good place.